In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create 3D Earth in Blender. The outcome is going to be the same what I am showing on the screen. If I render the image, you will understand what exactly the outcome will be. Let me render the image, and this is the final outcome, and we are going to create this. To understand the entire concept, I suggest you to watch the entire video, because in between I'm going to give you the node shaders list so that you can create yourself very easily. Keep watching. To begin with, I have added a new session. In this video, I'm going to explain 4 segments. 1. How to add the basic earth texture, then environment shader, then glow shader to make day and night effect, and finally clouds texture. To get the earth object, I need to add a sphere. So let me remove this cube. Shift A, mesh, UV sphere. Currently the sphere is not smooth. To make it smooth surfaced, right click on it, shade smooth. Also I can add one modifier, that is subdivision surface, and then increase the levels to see it completely smooth. Next, I need to set up the camera. To set up the camera, first I need to press 0 on the numpad, and then let me go to the world and make the background completely black, and viewport shading, and then let me lock the camera. View, I pressed N and then view, and then lock the camera. Press 0 to bring it to the camera view, and then make it like this so that it is ready for adding texture, shaders, etc. Now let me break the view into 2 views. One is a normal view and another is shading view. So first of all, I need to make sure that I'm in the shader view, so that whatever I'm going to do in the shade editor will appear and will affect here. So I can make it small. Then this is the place where I'm playing with my shader nodes. The first one is texture node. So let me add a new shader node, and then this is the principled BSDF. Let me keep this material output at the very far away from this place, and then the immediate thing what I need to add is texture. That is 3 different textures are there. One is the basic color, then there is specular color, and then normal. So let me add Shift A, image texture, Shift D to make it duplicate, again Shift D, make it duplicate. So normal texture will not be added directly, it will be added through a normal map. So Shift A, normal map, and then connect color to color, and then normal to normal, and color to the first image, color to the basic color, and color to the specular color. Now I need to add the respective textures. So first image texture, open, select the textures, and then add the basic texture. Then I need to add the next texture, that is glossiness, and then finally I need to add the normal texture. You can see now the texture is added in a proper manner. After adding the basic earth texture, I need to bring the environment shade. For that, let me bring this window a little here. I need to make this window a little small, and then let me copy the principled BSDF, Shift D, so that it is duplicated. I need to add few more nodes, Shift A, emission node, and duplicate it. and then I need to have another node that is mix shader. So I need 3 pieces of it, and one will be added here, and two will be dealt within this group. First of all, I need to bring this emission, the first emission, to a blue color. I can increase the strength later. Connect to the first mix shader. So this shade to here and PSDF to here. So now this need to be connected to the second mix shader, and then the second point or second connection will be done from this emission node, and this emission node will be completely diffused. So black color. Now I need to add one important node, that is layer weight. This will create that effect, that shader effect, the environment shade effect, Fresnel to FAC. And now this entire bunch is currently not connected to the earth texture. For that, let me bring this and connect to this mix shader. Now you can see the effect. Now let me save the file. File, save, and file name is earth, and then now let us see the real view. So just bring it to this. So this is what is currently we have achieved. The next one is I need to add the glow. To add the glow, I need to add the texture, that is glow texture. Shift A, image. In this I am going to add the image, the illumination. Now here I need to add one color ramp, and that color ramp will be connected with shader to RGB, and one diffuse shader. Now I need to add one emission. That emission color will be maybe glowing orange, and then one mix shader which will be connected here. So now this emission will be connected here, and then I need to add one more node, that is mix RGB, and mix RGB will be connected with the image texture. Second color will be completely made black, and then this color and this FAC will be added, and this color will be connected to this FAC. Now you can see a kind of a glow here, but actually that is not too good because very light. Let me increase the strength. Now you can see across the earth it is completely glow, but when the sun is there will not be any requirement of light. So only the back side, the opposite side, should have the light. To make that, I need to set this color ramp like this. Exactly on top of it, so that you can see that. But this effect is still not coming. For that we need to add one more set of these 3 nodes. Shift D. I don't think this required. And then this node, this connection need to be connected with color. Then you can see the real separation of both day side and night side. Only thing is I need to clear this strength and other things. So I need to decrease the strength, and I need to make it complete so that it is not disturbing that. Now let me increase the strength here. Also increase the blend little like that, so that you can see the effect like this. Finally, I need to add the clouds. So for that, let me bring window here and then Shift A, principled BSDF, and then one image texture, and image will be attached to the clouds, and cloud should be bumpy, so I'm adding a bump node, and then color to normal, height, and normal to normal. So now this need to be connected, so let me add a mix shader, and then this color has to be connected with this fact, this shader, this fact, and then this color, this BSDF color should be added to the second shader. Now you can see the clouds. I need to change the cloud strength. Let me decrease the distance. Now let me decrease the strength also a little. Now you have got the earth. Actually we can improvise further, but this is one easy way of doing. So we can add more nodes, and we can add the mapping node, and we can add the texture coordinate node to make it much more interesting. But this is for a beginner like me, so I created it. I hope you also enjoyed this video, and I hope you will create this. Now let me see the final outcome. So this is the final outcome, and if I render this, I need to keep it little somewhere like this, and if I render this, the image will be like this. Just I would like to add some rotation so that the effect will be very nice. So let me go to the timeline where I can bring the properties, go to item. So currently it should be like this, and maybe I'll keep it like this, and then add a keyframe by pressing I, and then I'll just keep this at the 250, the last frame, and then rotate it slowly, maybe that much, and then make it add a keyframe, and then you can see the earth is rotating, and if I convert into a movie, this will be looking more nice.